just took it off now. I heard meowing and I thought it was the black cat, but it was outside. No, Cheetah wants to play with it. Let's play chasing the kitten.